Hi, my name is Geeta. I am the research scholar in Madras University Management Studies. I would like to share the topic about risk-based approach in medical device quality management system in COVID pandemic. Quality management system. Quality management system was derived from total quality management. TQM is the key concept in maintaining the quality, especially medical device industry. Quality management system is very important to improve the productivity of the product. Safety or performance requirement of the medical device to control regulatory requirement. ISO 13485 is mandatory by many government authorities, not only in India, other countries also. Most of the classes also derived from ISO 9001, especially 13485 classes. We completed the study by using questionnaire. Objective of the study is to understand risk-based approach, impact in quality management system in COVID medicinal products. And then secondary objective is to understand about application of risk techniques allows problems to be solved before they impact the quality of COVID products. Of course, the understanding about the emergency route of regulatory compliance to comply COVID products due to the pandemic situation. To analyze about 568 medical device companies, employees, opinion about employees' suggestion in quality management system. Source of data, primary data. Primary data, we collected the information via questionnaire. Secondary data, it refers already existing data. We collected internet, books, published articles, journals, and newspaper articles from the collection of the data. Questionnaire is used to collect the data for the study. One common questionnaire formulated to collect the data respectively from middle management and executive level management. Types of sampling used in the study is random sampling. Total sample size is 568 respondents. Mostly those questionnaire collected from regulatory graduates, professional with MBA, totally 568. Most of the middle management and higher level management people are involved in the particular research analysis. This is the data analysis by using SPSS, analysis of risk-based approach in quality management system and COVID-related products in medical device industry. The risk-based approach, which involved in many departments such as raw material, purchasing department, HR, training, marketing, document control, QA, production, design and development, planning, vigilance, of course, marketing material and promotional material, distribution. These are the data we received from the questionnaire. You see the particular graph, section C, risk-based approach in marketing. The risk approach doesn't involve much. Impact is less, whereas I, risk-based approach in marketing material, which involved also less. The remaining department risk-based approach was very successful and really it improves the productivity of the product as well as company, especially design and development, production, HR, as well as purchasing and R&D departments. This is another data which talks about commercialization part, brand name, adverse events, approvals, raw material, marketing strategy, PMS, and employee service and extra. This is a common process flow which is used in medical device industry to identify the risk management. Risk management is a common technique now to improve the productivity, especially COVID pandemic situation. It is not possible to comply all the regulations as per quality management system to release the products nowadays. Particular risk-based approach and impact which involved particularly device industry to release the product to save the people. Manufacturers initially identify the hazard and they identify the risk, what are the problem going to happen for mass production, COVID pandemic issues, production issues, R&D issues. Then they come out with the normal scale severity, how it is going to affect. In the severity RPN scale, manufacturers are identifying residual risk, and then how to reduce the risk, management taking decision to reduce the risk. Due to this risk-based approach, after reduction of risk, productivity of the product and process increased. So this is the analysis, particular analysis we collected from medical device industry to identify how the risk-based approach improved the productivity and process of the production. This is a common scenario of risk-based approach in quality management system. Various departments are utilizing the risk management to come with the input and output, of course, based on high risk, medium risk, low risk. Management taking decision as per input and output. Inputs are reporting the authorities, audits, corrective actions, quality indicators, revised guidelines, feedback from customer satisfaction. Those are inputs. Outputs are effectiveness of the company, productivity of the company, improvement of the company, and resource needs. This is a common scenario of the flowchart, which explains about the risk management, how it impacts quality and productivity of the product as well as process. Conclusion. A risk-based quality management system means applying a process to assess risk to each of these processes. A quality management system is our architecture for demonstrating all the things we do to comply with regulations. Appropriate implementation of risk-based approach in product lifecycle leads less errors in quality management system, especially medical device industry, as per demonstrated data. To ensure success, the whole organization, especially executive management, middle management, and workers should commit to undertake risk management to improve productivity. Thank you.